girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is an updated no makeup look. So if you want to see my updated no makeup look, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. I'm super excited to be doing this video, but first, if you are a newbie, thank you and welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you will not miss out on any of my videos. And if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you for staying true and staying tuned and staying true. But I'm excited to be doing this video because I'm going to give you guys my updated no makeup routine. And that was one of, if you guys don't know, that was my second video that I uploaded on YouTube a little over a year ago when I first started, was my no makeup routine. But it has changed, especially now that we're in quarantine. Hopefully things are getting better. You know, we're able to get out a little more, but still. But yeah, so I wanted to give you guys my updated routine. So let's get started. You guys are seeing all my business. I woke up just like this, y'all. Nothing on my face at all. Nothing, no brows, nothing. These are my natural brows, how they come, and all my scarring and discoloration. Y'all seeing it all, okay? But yes, so when I do my no makeup routine, I am going to fill in my brows a little bit because I do like them to be a little bit more defined. On camera, they don't look too bad, but in person, they're kind of just all over the place. So we're gonna go on and do that. I'm gonna get my little mirror, and I just like to do my brows with a good old pencil. This is the, I think it's either Wet n Wild or NYX, and it's in mink. I like that mink color, or cinnamon brown. Just depends. But I'm not gonna define this with no with any concealer or anything. I just kind of want to fill them in and just kind of make it more, you know, give it a tail. Nothing too much. Just give it a tail, fill the little brow in, and yeah. As you can see, that just made it a little bit more defined. I didn't really change the shape or do anything of that nature. Just kind of define it more. As you can tell from this brow, this one looks faded. From looking in my little display video, my video display, it looks faded. So that's what I like. I like it to be just a little more defined. Okay, so as you can see, I drew my brows in. I'm not going to define them with any concealer like I said, but just made them a little bit more darker and fuller. So now what I'm going to do is I do need to use some concealer because as you see, I got some acne scars. Your girl was using the Elemis Collagen Rose face oil, and it broke me out really bad. You see, I have really big, gigantic pimples, and now look at my face. It's just all over the place. So yeah, I got a lot of scarring because as you know, I'm a picker, and yeah, I'm doing microdermabrasions and some chemical peels. So hopefully within a month or so, it will be faded. But I'm going to be using my Morphe concealer that I got in one of my beauty subscription boxes in C435 to hide my acne scars. So just put that right on top. And I like to go around my mouth as well because my mouth is a little dark. So just put some right over these scars, boo. And I do like this concealer because it's a really good match for my skin. And it doesn't really crease or anything, so I'm happy about that. I'm not going to hide all my acne scars because I have a couple that have been there for years that they're not going anywhere. Well, these have been, this is a chickenpox scar. I don't know, but yeah. I'm going to take my my e.l.f. sponge and just blend that out. Okay, around my scar and my mouth. Looks really good. And around my nose, that scar on my nose, I want to really cover that. I just don't like all these, like, I mean, I don't mind it. You know, scarring is scarring, but I just don't like all the super darkness. Like, it's just so black. And it's like just, hello, scar. So we're just going to cover that up. Alright. So we're done with that. So next, the next step that I do need to conceal under my eyes because they are a little dark. But I cannot use the Morphe concealer. It's too dark to use under my eyes. So the concealer that works best for under my eyes is the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer. And this is in C20. Usually I use C16 when I'm highlighting. But C20 is my perfect shade. Now, when you look at the C20 and the Morphe, they look like two completely different shades. But I say this all the time. My face is just its own, okay? It is two colors. So watch, you guys will see that they are going to blend out perfectly together and there's not going to be any issues. And I don't need too much because I'm just trying to cover up some of that darkness. So I'm just going to take my Shantellelace sponge. I know it's dirty, y'all, don't judge me. And just blend this out. Right there under the eyes. And look at that. Do I look crazy? Okay? This is... Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do, since I did put concealer on, is I'm going to set that concealer and I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder and banana. I just love this stuff. It's my favorite setting powder. I do have some other setting powders in there, but this is just my favorite. I mean, you know, the other ones, they do the job, but this is my go-to. And literally just put that where you put concealer. And I'm not baking or anything. We just want to make sure nothing creases, nothing moves. And I know I just used a little bit. So we just need a little powder, not much. Okay, so now all I need to do is put my lashes on. So let's get those bad boys on. So I'm not even going to line my eyes because this is a no makeup look. We're not trying to do the most. We're not even wanting to be clocked that we wear makeup. Nothing. You know what I'm saying? You know, you probably going to clock my brows. But come on now, girl got to fill them in. So just let my glue dry. Or let my glue get tacky. And pop these lashes on. Get this next one on. And these are my lashes in Flirty. I just love them. I love all the lashes that I'll be supplying, but these are my favorite. So let the glue get tacky. Alright, so I got the lashes on. Let me take down my hair and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Super just easy. I mean, my face looks like I'm not wearing any makeup, but it still looks clean. So I covered up some scars and some dark circles, but that's pretty much it. If I didn't have that scarring, all I would need to do is cover up my dark circles, y'all. So, yes, this is my no makeup routine, especially during this time. During this quarantine time, because like I said, I'm not really going anywhere. Today I need to go to the post office. That's pretty much it. So, but I did, you know, put on some lashes and I'm about to have some brows on. And I wanted to cover up some dark spots and stuff. So if I need to take some pictures for the gram or anything, I'm still picture ready, but not, you know, just super glammed up or anything. So yes, that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.